Wow! Come here, balls! Wow!
Look at these colorful balls! Wow! And you know what else is colorful? Yeah! This blue and yellow sailboat! Sailboats get powered by the wind, and I'm blowing it like I'm the wind. Watch! That is so cool! And look, here's another sailboat. This sailboat is the color red and yellow.
Whoa!
Okay. Whoa! Do you see down there? There's some eggs under the water. These boats and these balls float on top of the water, but look down there. Do you see those? There's a green, yellow, orange, and purple egg. I think we should go under the water and get the colorful eggs. Okay, we're gonna use this guy's help, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna go under the water. Here he goes. Whee! He can't hold his breath for that long. All right, let's go again and get the green egg. Okay. Yay! Look, he got the green egg. Wow. Okay, green egg. Okay, now let's get the yellow egg. Ready? All right, here I go. Let me jump off the sailboat. Yeah! Woohoo! Look, we got the yellow egg. Wow, good job. All right, 2 more eggs. Oh, gotta lift that up a little bit. Getting a little wet. All right, 2 more eggs. Look, here we go. Here we go. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. All right. All right, here we go. Look, we got the orange egg! Yay! All right, 1 last egg. Wow, 1 more egg. And it's the purple egg. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right, construction worker guy, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Hold your breath. Whoa! job! We did it! Look, it's the purple egg! Wow! That was so much fun getting those eggs from under the water! Whoa! And look, the boats and all the colorful balls. Whoa! Oh no! The boats are sinking! Okay, I'll help them out. All right. Okay. Oh, look! All right, I got a net. I think we should get all these balls out of the hot tub. Ready?
Choo-choo-choo. Woo. Yeah, I got one. Yahoo! Yellow. Woohoo! Orange. Yeah. Pink. Purple. Whoa! I got 4 in 1 scoop. Red and pink. Blue and green. 4 more. Red and blue. Green and pink. Green. Orange. 3. Orange, blue, pink, and last but not least, purple.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
I'm gonna put my face in the water, and you can see what I look like while I'm underwater.
B-L-I